So what we have here is a 1915 Reo Speedwagon, which has been coach built in the same manner that it was done back in the early teens. So a client would purchase a running chassis from a Rolls-Royce or a Cadillac and then bring it to their favorite coach builder. In this instance, the chassis was found with the engine and the running gear and then brought to Creative Workshop, my facility, to be designed and coach built from the frame up. Everything on this car has been done 100% authentic, all the way down to the acetylene lamps, which are powered by the carbide generator in the back corner. So these are real lamps, it's a real functioning honeycomb radiator, and all the wonderful attributes you find in this era of car. From cup oiling all the way to chassis oiling systems. Exposed valve engine, all on original riveted hinges. You can still see the crank hole in there, where the electric starter, if it should fail, this is a very brand new introduction about that point, the idea of having an electric starter. So what we have over here is the engine compartment, which is the original starter, generator, and water pump assembly. We've got the exposed oiling system. You're supposed to put oil in here after a couple hundred miles. These are the primer cups for starting it on a cantankerous day, although she's been a charm to start up, all the way down to the original vacuum Stewart vacuum fuel pump.
Welcome everybody to the Boca Raton Concours d'Elegance.
Cars of this era had acetylene lamps, they had oil lamps, and they began to get electric lamps. So this car's got acetylene up front and then electric up here just in case. Coming down here into the chassis area, to the cockpit area.
Exactly what we're going to do
the
right
chassis
now.
oiling system,
With me is Dave Schultz.
All the way down to the Walkaround removable wind-up clock, which is a fascinating thing. You take it out and you actually spin the outer surface.
The current president.
These cars would not normally get a gas gauge. You would get a stick, and there would be a
which
hole in the
is
gas tank, and you would
responsible
stick it
for
into
the
the hole in the gas tank and then
Lincoln
gauge
at
how much
Hickory
fuel you have.
Corners
In this instance,
in
we went about
Michigan,
5 years
wonderful,
later.
wonderful
So
place,
we
a
took a little bit of
campus
20s
with
technology,
many museums of
so we had an
specific
actual
marks,
fuel
Lincoln
gauge,
being
just
one
a
of
little bit
them.
more convenient than
Dave was
sticking the
also
stick.
the founder of the Glenmore Gathering Concours, as
single
well
opening
as the Stan Hyatt
into what we call
Concours,
limo type of
which
seat,
I had the
full couch
pleasure of
style.
both emceeing and judging.
The seats are all done original diamond
Sorry to
tufted
say,
leather,
they're not
all
with
the way
us
down to the
anymore,
manner in which the
but
diamonds are
Dave,
cut, so that when they're
fortunately,
tucked in,
is.
the diamonds remain true. And every single one of these buttons was handmade with skived leather. Now, if you come back to the rear over here, it is a rear brake system only. There are no front brakes. It is not
Glad
a
to have you
hydraulic
here.
brake. It's
So let's talk about the Lincoln automobile. I
rod-actuated
think many
rear brake
times
system.
people
So when you
don't
push on those brakes,
realize
you're actually moving
that
a
Henry
rod,
Leland,
which will then work on
who was
the
the
brakes.
founder of Cadillac, was also the founder of Lincoln. If you want to expound upon that
And then
a little bit.
similarly, what you have on the gas tank in the back, first off, is what they call a speedster gas cap, which is original and pretty rare to find. And then this is again a little bit of a modern add-on. When I say modern, instead of it being 1915 period, it's like 1919 period. These are original 1919 lighting systems.
during World War I.
So what you're looking at is the beginnings of the concept of actually having electric lights on cars, telling people I'm turning right, I'm turning left, I'm braking.
Leland was
see
in
this
his
often with the word
70s, but
stop.
his
And then when you
investors
see these
approached
cars
him and
with
said,
stop in the
let's
lights,
build
that
another
was also
luxury
very
car.
similar add-ons that
So
people put on their
Leland
cars.
named it Lincoln
And then coming around
after
finally
the
at the back,
first
the
president he
acetylene carbide
voted
system.
for.
This is
Do
just
the
a cooler
math,
system. So you put the clamp in, you
1864.
remove it, you plug a
So
calcium
they
carbide in,
introduced the
fill the
first
top and water,
Lincoln
put it
in
together, and then
late
you adjust the flow
1920.
of the water dripping down to generate
a year
the acetylene
later,
to
in
go into the
21,
lamps
they
to
were
light your
in
way.
bankruptcy.
And what's one less
And
fascinating
the
note is
Ford
that
Motor
when these
Company
acetylene lamps
bought
first came
Lincoln
out,
in February
it wasn't really to see the road.
22 for
It didn't really
$8
project that much
million.
light out. It was more
And
so
Edson
other
Ford
motorists could
quickly
see you
took
coming down a
control
dark
of the
road. So they would see the
company
two glowing
and took
lights
it to
and then know there was
another
something
level with,
approaching them.
custom
It was so new that no
coach
one even thought of projecting light out
that
into the roads you could see
exceeded,
back.
Many
That's
of
pretty much the
the
car.
American and European